Hi, a pleasant day to all the be the best of JC Best. Welcome to Rounding Numbers. Today, join me in our lesson about rounding numbers to the nearest thousand and 10,000. This is teacher Maribel T. Alatan, your guide in learning the lesson today. Let us have a definition of term first. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. Place value, as defined in mathematics, it refers to the arithmetic value associated with each digit corresponding to its place in a number. Place value will play a great role in rounding numbers. In rounding numbers, there are some rules that needs to follow. First, you have to determine the digits to be rounded off. Second, if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, do not change the digits to be rounded off. All digits that are on the right-hand side of the requested rounding digit become 0. If the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the number to be rounded off rounds up by one number. All digits that are on the right-hand side of the requested rounding digit will become 0. Let us apply the rule. Rounds off 123,678 to the nearest thousand. Let us determine first the number in the thousands place. What do you think is the number in the thousand place? Yeah, you're right. It's 3. 3 is in the thousands place. Now, look at the number on the right-hand side. It's 6. Now, let us assess 6. Is 6 less than 5 or greater than 5? Right, it is greater than 5. As the rule states, we have to add 1 to the digit being rounded off. And replace all the digits on the right-hand side with zeros. Why do we have to add 1, by the way, in the thousands place? Yes, because 6 is greater than 5. Now, after that you have already assessed the number on the right-hand side, you are going to replace this numbers 6, 7, 8 with zeros. So the answer would be 124,000. Now, let's try another one. Round off 123,678 to the nearest 10,000. As you notice, we use same number, but this time we are going to round it off to the nearest 10,000. Now, 2 is in the 10,000 place. Am I right? Yes, definitely. Now, oh, there should be S here. It should be 10,000. Sorry, it's missing. Now, what number is in the right-hand side of 2? It's number 3. Now, let's assess 3. Is 3 greater or less than 5? Or within 5? Yes, it is less than 5. Are we going to add 1 to the 10,000s? No. Why? Because it is less than 5. It will be remain as it is. And 3, 6, 7, 8 will be replaced by 0. So the answer would be 120,000. Now, let's see this one. Rounds off to the nearest tens. Now, it's asking to round off the number to the nearest tens. Now, 73. Which number is in the nearest tens? Right, it's 7. Good job. Now, let's assess the number on the right-hand side, which is 3. Is 3 greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So you are not going to add 1 to the 7 digit. It will be remain as it is. So it will remain 7 and 3 becomes, we will replace this by 0 and it will become 70. Yes, very good. Now, let's see 76. 76, 7 is in the tens place. And let's assess 6. 6 is greater than 5. So what are we going to do? We are going to add 1 with 7. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. And you have to replace the 6 by 0. So the answer would be 80. Good job. Now, remember to round off a number, determine digits to be rounded off. If the digits on the right is equal to or greater than 5, increase the digit by 1. If the digit is less than 5, retain the digit as it is. Replace all the digits on its right with 0. That's the end of the lesson. I hope you learned and see you next time. Thank you. God bless.